Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, my name is Moni. We have a fun one today because for the first time in a very long time, I ordered from Asos and then I ordered from H&M. I know, crazy. So let's get to H&M first. And let's go on to my favorite. This, guys, oi. I am so excited because one, I have a quinceañera to go to, and two, this is what I'm wearing. I'm pretty sure this is what I'm wearing because I look phenomenal in it, okay? Just being honest. It's a romper, but normally it's a regular romper. Girl, it is sequenced. It is beautiful. I got this in the size 20. I'll have everything linked down below. This romper honestly looks like it was made for me. It has a crisscross in front. I love sequins. And the color is an icy blue color. Again, love. And then there's little sequin bits in the bottom as well, and a pretty cute mesh sleeve that's a little bit belled out with more sequins. Guys, I feel like a majestic freaking fairy in this romper, and I love it. It fits like a dream. I will say, if you've never ordered from H&M before, I would say order your true size. I'm typically a 20, ordered to 20 worked out great. I love this thing. I am so excited. I was nervous, but I saw the sequins online and I was like, I can't let that one go. I need it now. Ordered it, not disappointed. I'm in love. So pretty. Who knew H&M had stuff like this? 'Cause I had no freaking idea. Now I know, now I'm in trouble. I love this. I'll have a link down below for you guys. I saw in the straight size, it comes like in a peachy coral color. And I'm like, I want the coral color too, but it doesn't come in my size. So I'm like, okay, well, great. Am I washed out? I've been having this issue all day and it's been really annoying. Where's my bag? Okay. Because I'm like surrounded by a lot of clothes right now, like a lot. Ooh, okay, so this one, I need your help. Oh, not this one. Hold on. Oh no. Oh, okay. I put it in the wrong bag. I was like, this one I tried on because, okay. I need your help with this one because I don't know whether or not I want to keep it because it does fit. And yes, it looks great on me, I think. That's why I need your input because I have no idea. So again, with the buttons, I really need to get over this. I'm over the buttons because I buy everything with buttons, but I could not help myself. So it's this really cute, it's like etched out, has this really cute like embroidered like palm trees. I did not see that online, believe it or not. I just thought it was really cute. White, funny enough, not really see-through, which is yay. Like mini dress. And I'm like, one, I feel, believe it or not, I feel sexy in this dress. But I don't have that body shape, I don't feel like, for this kind of dress. But let me know, like, do you guys think it's even cute? Like, I should keep it and consider it, or should I just send it back? I got this in the size 20. I love this so much. Like, it looks so good in the model. I'm like, I could look like that too. Maybe. A little Crisco, I can, you know. I thought this was nice. And I put it back in the baggie because it's like white. And I'm like, oh, I don't want to get this dirty. And I just, you know, so I'm gonna put it back in the bag. So I'm ready to try it on. I don't want to get it dirty. I don't know. Okay, this is still in the baggie, but a while back in December, I had ordered this cami in black. And I saw online, where's the other one? Why do I keep losing everything? Is it this one? Yeah. So it came in, oh, okay. Sorry guys, I'm all over the place. I'm just so excited. I got this in a size 22 because before I didn't know what size I was, and I ordered the size 22 and I really loved how like flowy it was, so I wanted to stay flowy. So I got this in a size 22. Oh, this is not a pajama top. This is a cami top. Like, it's perfect. It has this beautiful lace over in the chest and it just lays so beautifully. I think it's so incredibly sexy without being too much. It's so effing cute. It's actually a pretty good length as well. So I got this in white because they offered it in white. I was like, oh my god. And they also offered it in gray. I'm trying to open this bag. Why is it so hard? Got it in gray because I already have it in black and I just thought this was so sexy. Ooh, yes. I am obsessed. You know, this is why I went to H&M in the first place. So I was like, okay, well, do they have any more of these shirts? And I looked and I'm like, they do. And I was so excited. I freaking like, even with these kind of tops, you tuck it in. It looks so incredibly nice paired with like skirts. I recently tried on a skirt with, funny enough, a pajama top, but it's the same kind of style cami. Looks so freaking good. And I was like, I'm onto something. Wear pajamas all the time. You never know. Ooh, okay. So this is kind of like an unboxing because I actually haven't tried this on yet, but we'll see. So the main reason why I ordered this, my friend, my best friend, is obsessed with lemons. Anything lemon. Obsessed. So I said I want to get a romper. So I got this in a 2XL. This is the first time I've ever encountered something as like 2X, 3X from H&M. So I just gambled and I got a 2X, and to me it looks to be like the right size, but who will see. So it's off the shoulder, but you can, with these tops that I was saying off the shoulder, you can easily wear it like if it's shouldered, just bring it up. But it is off the shoulder, black. It's simple. I thought this would be even really nice when we go out for brunch. I thought it was nice, like just, or even like, it's just, I think because it's black, it's casual, even though it has a bunch of lemons on there. I thought it was casual and fun, like if you want to go to the farmer's market. And I have a black hat I could wear this with. I've been into hats, okay? Don't blame me. So I got this in the 2XL, I already told you. Let's see if this works out. Let me know in the comments whether or not you liked it on me, because you were my, it's like in Mean Girls, like you wouldn't buy a skirt without telling or showing your friends or something like that. Something along the lines of that. So it's like that. You're my friends. Tell me what you think. Tell me whether or not I should keep it or get a bigger size, smaller size, blah, blah, blah. Let a girl know. Ooh. So I thought this was really cute and I could actually wear this to work, which is also nice. So I got this in the size 20. It's my favorite kind of style of dress too. So it's just a regular like olive green, has a sleeve on there. Oh, this is so freaking cute. This reminds me of the burgundy dress I got from Rose Gal. But you see, has beautiful little details here in the bottom skirt. I love this. Now this is so easy to pair. I love wearing dresses like this with wedge platform booties. Yes, I like. It's so cash, so comfortable. Also, I really like the fabric of this because it's actually pretty lightweight, so it's really good for summer as well. Yes, I'm so packing this with me, if it fits, fingers crossed, to California, because I think this is so nice, kind of diluted, like not too bright, not up in your face, very calm with, it's kind of giving me like emo vibes where I wear this with a black hat. I know, I'm on with the hats again, but I can't help it. It's my favorite. Black speaks to my soul. What can I say? Okay, guys. Are you ready? Are you ready? Actually, this part of the haul is not that great, but you'll see why. So, ASOS time. Ooh, excuse me. So, I love ASOS. If you're never heard of them or never tried them, it's a UK brand. The UK absolutely loves them. The US, I think, loves them too, if you know about them. They offer a plus size section, which they call Curve. And the only downside, it's a little pricey, just a little pricey, but you're getting designs you don't find everywhere else. Matter of fact. Yeah. And it's been a while since I ordered from them because they actually had a coupon. I think they had like 20% off. I was like, this never happens. Like, it almost never happens. They have sales, and they do have an outlet part of their section, like sale and stuff, but they were having coupon. I was like, I gotta look, and it was 20% off everything. So I've been looking for a backpack like this one, and I just needed it. I just needed it. I don't remember the price, but I'll have it linked down below for you. Sorry, I'm talking like this, like a computer. Don't know what's wrong with me. But I thought this was really cute. I love how like chic and like structured it is. and it's so easy and easily expandable, and I can fit a lot of things in here. I thought this would be great for my California trip, but it's something I really have to think about or see if I can adjust. It's the straps. Maybe it's how it's meant to be worn, but it feels a little unnatural to me. It's very hugged to the body and very high in the back. For that reason, I'm not digging it that much, but I'll see if possible, if I were to adjust the whole part and bring it down lower, whether or not I like it. But for the price of it, and I remember this being a little bit pricey, like 50-ish bucks, I might have to return it, because I'm like, for that much, you should love it. And I've seen some bags on Amazon that were for like 30 bucks that my friend has actually ordered, and she loves them, and not to lie, I love them too. So I don't know, but I really dig this, and I wish it came in tan, but another day we'll figure it out. But I don't know, I'll show you guys this on me and see what's your input, whether or not you guys agree with me or not. But maybe I'm just being crazy. Let's see. The other item I got, here we go with the buttons. It's a dress I ordered because of one of the buttons, and it honestly just looks so great on the model. And I believe I ordered the size 20. Yes ma'am, I did. I ordered the size 20. See, there's the buttons, and it has a tie up in the shoulder, which are functional. Love. And it's a very long, simple olive maxi dress. Now, this fits like a dream. Looks pretty. I think I'm still gonna return it because I don't know. There's like nothing about it, you know, and I'm very kind of person. Like, it just seems a little plain. I should have known this when I ordered it, you know, but I don't know, something about it, it's like, I feel like it really does nothing for me. It feels a little like frump to me. But again, let me know. I ordered this in the size 20. I will say they are very true to size, if not a tad big, which is kind of nice because sometimes people need just a little bit more wiggle room. But it's a gorgeous dress and made from really great fabric. Just on me personally, just doesn't, it's not working out. I'm not feeling it. I don't feel the love. I don't feel the love. Sorry, I'm so dramatic. Oh wow. Okay. I don't know if I showed you. Okay. Sorry guys, I think I made a little mix up. My head's all over the place. I think I mixed up something. So this dress, the white dress with the embroidery, I think I said it was from H&M. It's from Asos. I just realized that. Yeah, I think I told you it was from H&M. It's from Asos. My bad. It happens. I'm old. Deal with it. But yeah, guys, that's everything I got from Asos and H&M. If you never tried Asos, give their website a look. Trust me, they have a lot to offer. And if you never tried H&M, try it out. You know, I will say too, look online because some, not all, some H&Ms actually carry plus size. From my experience, it's always just been like a section, like, I mean legit a rack. But if you still want to look in store, go ahead. Yeah, that's everything I got. I didn't do that bad, didn't do that much damage. But again, I love your input and your comments. Please let me know what you think of the items down below. And if you have any questions, of course, shoot out a comment to me and I'll try my best to answer it. And follow me on Instagram at Yoitsmoni because I'm so close to 5,000 subscribers and I really want to do a giveaway. Like, I really want to do a giveaway, but in order to do the giveaway, I need you to have me, I'm tired. It's a Wednesday and I never film on a Wednesday, but I'm filming on a Wednesday because I'm busy this weekend. Story of my life. What was I saying? Oh, yeah. So in order for me to do the giveaway, I need people following me on Instagram. And just do it because I'm nice and you'll like my content. And a lot of times I ask a lot of questions like, what store do you guys want to see? Like I recently did a Boohoo haul and I asked, do you guys want to see a Boohoo haul or Shein haul? And everyone said Boohoo. And I was like, okay, I'll do both. But yeah, guys, I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like and a share. And what am I doing? I'm such an embarrassment. Follow me, please. Subscribe, do everything. I love you. I love you so much. Okay. Bye.